Hello, welcome to Patacharya app. Kunji is our new AI avatar which will make studying easier and simpler. Now, with AI, we will turn hours of studies into minutes. Just install the app from Google Play Store and log in with your mobile number or email. Select your board and class and begin your studies instantly. Choose your subject and chapter and understand the importance of each chapter and how to prepare for it so that you can achieve 100% marks in your exams. Get detailed content, including videos and notes, tailored to your curriculum for your better understanding and practice questions. Prepare with a focus on previous year questions and practice quizzes. Test yourself where the difficulty of questions gradually increase according to your understanding, allowing you to achieve full proficiency in every subject. Also get AI generated probable questions for your upcoming exams. And for any doubts, you can just go on Kunji and ask your questions.